Hello everybody, this is Waffle and Pancake Gaming. Today we're going to be seeing my secret basement and my firework cannon. Here are my wolves. Leave in the comments what my wolf's name should be. Now you will be astonished by my basements once you see me flick the lever. Now I'm walking down the stairs to show you my Steve head, all my torches, and my bed and my chest with totem item. Now you will see my firework cannon. That's green, blue and orange. I hope you like my video.